Happy Easter, everyone. And today's Good Friday, and I am going to make Jamaican Easter bun. I have this today. You know what? I'm going to give this Easter bun thing a try. I've never done it before, but guess what? The end result was amazing. The end result was surprising for me. As it was my first time. I think the texture, I'm going to work on the texture a little bit. However, I'll give myself grace. I'll give myself grace because it's my first time. And I always say to myself, you see the kitchen? I own the kitchen. The kitchen is somewhere where I make all my mistakes and not being judged. Not being judged by no one. I make my mistakes and I correct them and I learn from them inside that kitchen. Because my kitchen work for me, I don't work for my kitchen. And that alone, the authority that it gives me, the power, the control, it gives good end result. And the end result is this today. I made Jamaican Easter bun for the very first time, and it was edible. It was nice. Everybody loved it.